dangerous. Put that down.
No, sir.
You need to learn about this. Sit down.
Nej.
Sit down.
Nej.
You two. What is this you're playing? This is unacceptable. What you did there was mess with chemicals. That can be very dangerous.
I don't suppose so.
But you want to learn about chemical energy though, so you
No.
can be a bit more aware of this. You don't? Do you? No? Oh, okay, but we're still gonna do it. So, yeah. Great, let's get right into it. Chemical energy is released when bonds form in a chemical reaction, often producing heat as a byproduct. Exothermic reaction. You get that?
Yes.
You get that? Sure. We're learning something new. This is the future. This is science, okay? There are two types of main chemical energies, exergetic and endergetic. An exergetic nuclear reaction is a reaction that releases energy when a chemical bond forms. But an endothermic reaction is one that requires an input of energy to take place. Is that understood?
Yeah, sure. Sure, yeah.
You guys, this is important stuff you need to learn here. Because science is not all chemicals, mixing things, blowing things up. It's the science behind it. Like, you see, when you spray that foam, do you know what happened? Do you know what reaction happened to take place? Batteries, biomass, petroleum, natural gas, and coal are examples of stored chemical energy. Usually, once chemical energy is released from a substance, that substance is transformed to an entirely new substance. Interesting, right? How one substance under a chemical reaction can become another. Interesting, right?
No.
Yes, it is. You see, these substances in front of you, they all contain chemicals. But it's not chemical energy unless a reaction is formed. This is just chemicals inside these substances. And they're very dangerous, okay? Okay, that's good. Well, do you guys like explosions?
Yes!
Yeah.
Well, for example, when an explosion goes off, boom! Chemical energy is stored in its transfer to surroundings as thermal energy. Thermal energy is heat, sound energy, and kinetic energy. Sound, the boom, the big explosion, and the kinetic energy is the reaction that happens. Interesting. This is awesome. Okay? Another great example is a fireplace. The dry wood is a store of chemical energy. As it burns in the fireplace, chemical energy is released and converted to thermal energy, heat, and light energy. Notice that when wood turns into ashes, a new substance is formed. Do you guys like food then?
Yeah.
Yes.
You do like food?
Yes.
Food is also a great example of stored chemical energy. The energy is released during digestion. Molecules in our food are broken down into smaller pieces. As the bonds between these atoms loosen or break, a chemical reaction will occur in our bodies, and new compounds are created. When the bonds break or loosen, oxidation occurs almost instantly. There's chemical reactions all around you, in explosions, in fire, in your body. You would die without chemical reactions. You wouldn't digest your food properly.
Dude! You nerd!
Though this is interesting science.
No.
Interesting. No, it's interesting. No, you need to understand the principle. No, it's so cool. It's chemicals.
Hey.
You can do experiments with it.
Stop.
It keeps you alive.
No!
Yes!
That was actually quite cool.
Thank you. Do you want to come to the lab and I will show you different chemical energies that we can create ourselves?
Yes, let's go!
Do you want to join? Or do you want to sit here and mope around on your computer and not learn anything useful? Yes, let's all go. Come on.